We saw a man overdose. It scared us and it was gross. We looked at him as he fell and we didn't know who to tell. I said to call 911 and that's how all this begun. We weren't looking for this, but now we have to help.
His lungs won't exhale. Needle skin was pale. Hot forehead unresponsive. You're not dying today, baby.
Hey, here's how to treat an overdose. It's really easy, so let's use Narcan. Just take the cap off and spray baby. It's really easy, so let's use Narcan.
Now there is no time to spare. Now you will be in my care. Police are on the way. Don't worry, you'll be okay. I pull out some Narcan. Let's increase that lifespan. I'm glad I knew what to do, and now you know too.
His lungs now exhale. No needle skin is normal. Cool forehead now responsive. You didn't die today, baby.
Hey, here's how to treat an overdose. It's really easy, so let's use Narcan. Now you can tell all of your friends, baby. It's really easy, so let's use Narcan. Here's how to treat an overdose. It's really easy, so let's use Narcan. And tell all of your other friends. It's really easy.
Just use Narcan.